In this video, we will compare Appwrite versus MongoDB. When it comes to building modern applications, both Appwrite and MongoDB are powerful tools. However, they serve different people. Appwrite is a backend as a service that provides a comprehensive suite of pre-built backend services, including authentication, file storage, database, and serverless functions. This makes it an excellent choice for developers who want to quickly set up full-end backend without having to manage individual components. With Appwrite, you can handle common apps like user authentication, real-time updates, and cloud storage, all in one integrated solution. It's helpful for smaller projects and teams. On the other hand, MongoDB is a database designed for high performance, flexibility, and scalability. MongoDB excels at storing and managing large amounts of structured or semi-structured data, making it ideal for applications that need to handle complex data structures while requiring horizontal scaling. While MongoDB does not provide full backend services, Appwrite does. It offers more flexibility and storage. The key difference between the two lies in their focus. Appwrite offers full-stack backend environment for building apps quickly, while MongoDB focuses solely on providing scalability database solutions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.